So the patient is having CA breast on the left side, and yeah. So basically, as we have already discussed about the mammogram, how to, and so you can also compare the pre-chemotherapy mammogram, post-chemotherapy mammogram, and can take an idea if you do not have relevant information. Similarly, you can also look for its adipocity. And when NSE, perpendicular lying NSE is, see the nodes, most of the nodes are very small post NSCT, and there was the N1 disease. So previously, so we'll consider this as positive axilla, and ALND will go for ALND as we do not have clear-cut evidence. But still, if we in the scenarios like here, where we don't have artery perforator flaps, you can fill the defect and can achieve good